Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make a Discord verification system. So first, what you'd want to do is open up your browser. Once you've opened up your browser, you just need to search for securitybot.xyz. So securitybot.xyz, just like so. And just wait for it to load. Now what you want to do is click on add security right here. So add it to your server just like so. There will be a verification. Just go through that. And as you can see, it has been added to my server. Now go back to your Discord server and type in /verification. So just like so. So here, the /verification enable, click on that. Now what you want to do is just click on enter. There, as you can see, verification has been enabled. Now, what you want to do is type in the next command, verification setup. Just like so that you can set up your channel for the verification. And after that, just click on enter again. As you can see, the verification channel has been created here. So just check on the verification channel and make sure that this message is right there. So if you verified that, you could just go back to here and type this command just like so. You could pick a type of verification that you want, so you could go with web captcha code, and one-click verification. And for this video, I'll show you the one-click verification, just like so, and click on enter again. So next is the roles. So this will be given to everyone who will join the server, and if they verify themselves, this will be removed. Just type in that and just scroll down till you see the verification setup role there and click on enter. Just like so, as we set up, make sure to move it higher than your public roles, auto roles, and reaction roles. So as you can see. Now basically what you want to do is go to server settings on the top left right here. Click on server settings and scroll down, or on their overview right here, there's a role. So we will create a verified or verification role. Let's say a verified member, or let's just say verified. And let's just do it verified member. There, and click on create role. Oh, wait, let's do that again. Click on create role first, just like so. There, and now you put the verified role name, and you could also set the colors to, let's say, green, light or dark green. So let's go with light green and click on save changes. You also want to display role members separately for online members, so that your list will be managed. It will not look so crowded and stuff. So after that, now go to permissions, and of course you could set what you want to set right here. So for me, I'll just set it like view channels. So they could also send like if you create an invite, you could set messages, of course. So they could attach files, embed links, add reactions. So next, alright, read message history. That's something like that. And once you're done with everything right here, you need to click on save changes. Then go back here. And now just go type in verification. So find the set verified right here. So role, and find your made role like verified. So this one, just like so. Click on enter. There, and that's it, guys. You can now try and go here and click on verify. Let's say I want to verify. So as you can see, I cannot do it. So you could try it with your other accounts, but if this shows, it just means that it really works, since it prompted it right here. That's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.